Good afternoon and happy Christmas Eve to all my diecast family out there. Just wanted to do a quick video. I got a surprising package today, a huge one, or yesterday, from one of my fellow viewers. He goes by the name of Birdman, and he sent me a nice big package full of goodies for Christmas. And he also has a friend that we've talked before who has a real Ford Falcon XB. So, and he wants to show me some of his projects, and gave me a nice little letter with it. And I just wanted to share the great things that he sent me, because it was some really neat stuff. So first, when I opened it up and I lifted one, there was a box inside a box, and I lifted it out, and first thing I see is a Pontiac GTO book. And he knows how much I love GTOs with my Judge, and I love books about GTOs because and the first thing I open to on the first page is, look right there, a 1970 Judge in blue. So I am going to be loving to read this book here, and I really do appreciate it. It is so awesome. So that's our first thing that we got here. I'm gonna put that right there. Maybe move my camera back just a hair. There we are. So and then I see this really awesome old school gas pump with John Deere on it. And me being a John Deere fan, of course, being a farm kid, and I still own my grandfather's original John Deere 2-cylinders from when he was farming, and when my dad was farming, we all used them, and I still have them. So, and that's why we have this little John Deere B back there. So, but yeah, that is awesome. I think I'm gonna set that right in the back there. That'll be a perfect addition to my collection of stuff. Let's see if I can, there we go. I raised it up just a little bit. And then I'm going here and look at that. Orbit Orange 1970 GTO Judge for my and I do collect anything Pontiac GTO Judge, or any GTOs for that matter, just because I own one, and it's one of my dream cars. So thank you so much for that. That's going right in my collection. And he sent me a couple new ones here, and I haven't some of these I haven't seen yet, because, well, it just basically, you know, they're hard to come by because our box stores, they're already picked through, and basically main lines are non-existent. So I really appreciate this. This one I want to start out with is really cool, and it must be a new Matchbox casting because I have not seen it. And this is fantastic. It is a 1962 Plymouth Savoy, and looks like an old Hemi race car, like you would see, especially like the one maybe in the movie Hot Rod. And this is awesome. I'd like to get a hold. I'm going to keep this one for my collection, but if I can get a hold of some more of these, I'm going to do a couple, maybe put a Hemi hood scoop on it and put some chrome reverses on it or something. I mean, that would be just an awesome machine. But I mean, right in this form here, it's already a really cool. I mean, look at that thing. If I can get it to focus. Come on, focus. There we go. So yeah, that is awesome. I have not even seen those in the stores. So next, knowing that I am such a big Australian car fan, I got two Falcons XBs here. This is both 73s. This one here I saw when it came out, and I think it's a couple of the guys and gals that did the Ford Falcon build had this one, but I did not have this one for my collection, and it's one I've been after for quite a while. So, because I collect everything Australian muscle that I can. Even thankfully the Falcons are very, you know, available through Greenlight and Hot Wheels, but the Holden's not so much. But like I say, that's my number one dream car right there. Is a '73 Ford Falcon XB, or any mid '70, the XAs, XBs, or the XCs. I would be happy with any one of those. And also, I have not seen this. This is from the Flame series. Check this out. I mean, that's a very nice tampoed car. I'm not even going to change that. I mean, they put a nice flame job on it. It's a nice dark green. They put the black, they kind of put the black billboard in the center there over the scoops and blacked out the grill. It looks great, and decent wheels. You know, kudos for Hot Wheels for actually making a car that I don't have to change. It looks awesome the way it is. So there's, I'll set that one here. Let me try to set that there. There we go. Focus that back up. Next, this is new for 2021. I have not seen these. They redid the Dodge van again, or they made another Dodge van. Check this out. That would be great for customs. And you know how I love vans. And it's even got, I don't know if you can see it, but it's really cool because if I can get a light in there, it's even got a go-kart. There you go. You can see it's got a little shifter go-kart in the back, which is really cool. So you could actually detail that thing out. And it's a little bit later model van, so you could really do some cool stuff with this thing. It's actually a decent looking casting. It looks like they actually, check that shit out. They actually put like dingy spots, like it's it's worn and all that. Check that out, and that's really cool. So that's a drift van. I'll be damned. A drift van. Didn't know that thing such a thing existed. So, but definitely a nice casting. So thank you very much for that. Next, we have one that I've never seen before. The Divco milk truck. Look at that thing. That thing is cool. That thing is so cool. It's got doors that open up in the back. It's got the milk crates in there. I have never seen this one. Very nice. What a surprise for Christmas. I mean, I tell you, between Johnny, Anthony, and Birdman, thank you so much, guys. Man, y'all, I'm very humbled that you all even think that much of my work to send me stuff like this. This is just awesome. I've never experienced anything like that. And that's good. And we go to the next one here. And this baby is going right on the tree, along with, this is, oh my God, this is awesome. This is the 1969 GTO Judge in carousel red. Yes, I know it's orange, but they call it carousel red. And this was a 2000 Hallmark ornament that I wanted, that I didn't get. And now I have it, so that's going right on the tree with my Monte Carlo. So awesome Birdman, thank you so much. Wow. I'm just blown away. I mean, I'm actually just seeing all this stuff. You know, I opened up the box and looked around a little bit, but I wanted to save the stuff that's wrapped up. I wanted to see for myself on camera and get that so y'all could get the reaction. And next, wow, 97 Corvette there, just like Mr. Lee's over at Wee Little Cars. He's got a black one just like this. Another ornament for the tree. This is 1997. So I have a Corvette, I have a GTO, and a Monte Carlo for the Christmas tree. So my wife will love that. So, and thank you so much for those. Those are awesome. You know, I have to admit, this model, this era Corvette, they definitely had the right drivetrain in them. I wish I could have this drivetrain in my 79. Now that would be a amazing car. But I don't have that kind of money. So, and now we're getting into some big stuff here. Good Lord. Holy shit. Look at this. Another 1969 GTO. Look at that. Doors open up. The trunk opens up. Let me focus that. There you go. Look at that. Man. Got your 400 underneath the hood. Man. Look. Ain't that something? Who makes this one? This is... I don't know who makes this one. Maybe it's like a Welly or something. I don't know. But it's even got a little steering on it. And even the steering wheel moves. It's got a look. Check that out. The steering wheel moves the tires and everything. Man. Good Lord. Look at that. I have to move the camera back and move the camera down a little bit. There we go. Man, this definitely is Christmas, before Christmas. And we got, look at this. We've got another one. Oh, look at that thing. Oh. It's a lowrider. Check that out. The GTO lowrider. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Just like the other one, but a lowrider. You know, and a couple, I've seen a couple that done up back in the day where they made them lowriders like that. That's really cool. Man, these are all welcomed additions to my collection. Man. And I wanted to save the best for last. He knows how much I'm a Mad Max fan I am, and you got to see this. This is awesome. The toe cutter, he knows who I am, and yes, it does. Yes, Birdman, it will fit. Thank you so much. Man, such wonderful gifts on Christmas Eve. I want to thank you sincerely, Birdman, Anthony Bellini, and my man Johnny V in Tasmania down at his customs. I'm going to show you some of his customs in the near future. He doesn't have a channel, but he's a fellow builder just like the rest of us, and he's very talented. So for all you guys, thank you so much, especially Birdman for this video. I can't express how thankful I am for all of this stuff. I'm just honored that you think that much of my work and my channel to send me neat, awesome stuff like this. So, hope everybody has a Merry Christmas in my diecast family, and I will see you on Saturday for something. It's going to be an end of the year blowout. It's the greatest build that I've ever made to this date. So, I hope you will enjoy. So, Merry Christmas to everybody. Thanks again.